Hello friends, my name is Marianne Harris and I am the founder of Unity Travelers, a division of Harris House Studio. Who are the Unity Travelers? They're a group of like-minded friends who really have an understanding and appreciation that we now live in a global world. And as such, we travel internationally to educate ourselves about different lands and people, cultures, and religions so that we may be better informed from our own experiences abroad. Well, before I tell you some of our upcoming trips, I want you to take a look at some of the fun memories that we've had on several of our trips. Wasn't that fun? Every time I look at those pictures, I think of all the wonderful memories, the people that we've experienced, and all of us on the group that have shared our times together. Life-changing events for sure. Now, how can you join Unity Travelers? Number one, everybody's favorite, Italy, March 18th to the 28th, 2019. Our second travel adventure is for the more exotic travelers to China, November 1st through the 16th of 2019. And third, a once-in-a-lifetime event, May of 2020, the Passion Play at Oberammergau. I hesitate to even call it a play because really I'm inviting you to come into and step into a historical event. It is a wonderful opportunity to see history unfold. Now, where can you find information about our upcoming trips? You can find them on our website at harrishousestudio.com. Again, harrishousestudio.com. And under the hamburger hashtag, you can find our brochures, our gallery of pictures, who are the people involved in Harris House, and also you can read our blogs of the stories of our adventures on the road. We also have a Facebook page, so like our page, Unity Travelers, so you can keep up with our current announcements, with all of our travels and our blog postings. I look forward to seeing you on one of our great and exciting adventures very soon.